Hey everyone, it's Paul Allen Clifford here,
Cody Patterson, hey, from Renewed Vision.
and we've been working together to do something kind of fun for the past few weeks and months. And so since we were in the same place, we thought that we'd make a little video to tell you just a few of the details, more details below the video, but let's just start talking about it.
Yeah, I'm just excited because I guess now we're talking about engaging more within the group, just combining forces a little bit. And so on the ProPresenter Users Group, we're talking about making it more of like official ProPresenter Users Group of sorts. So our staff is just going to engage more with the group. It's not going to be some official support channel per se, but we want it to be a community for our users. And so Paul has already started this. He's already done a fantastic job of creating that community, and we just want to support him and come alongside him and help with that.
Yeah, so thanks, Cody, for just all the help. And first, I want to say that I've already been thinking thoughts that you might be thinking, like, uh-oh, Paul sold out, or uh-oh, now Paul can't give hacky advice or anything like that. And Cody has said it's still my group, because it is still my group, and they're just going to come alongside me. And so when I can't answer questions, you might get an answer from someone who actually does tech support at Renewed Vision. I know it's a crazy idea, kind of strange, but together, hopefully we'll be able to support you even better and provide some insight that I don't have because I'm just a user like you, and maybe just really help your church or organization advance what you're doing.
Yeah,
so
that's just it. We know that you guys come to this group for support and some for community too. We just really want to elevate that. If you come for support, our guys are there to help a little bit. Paul's still there to help. He does a phenomenal job. But we also want to just engage you guys in what you're doing and how you're using ProPresenter and other Renewed Vision software in your church, and really just help you guys in all that.
So I hope you're as excited about this as I am, and just read more details below this video. And I'm just really excited that I get to partner with Renewed Vision, because really I was just a guy in my spare room making videos, and now we've really partnered together to really help you in the church.
Definitely. Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thanks. See you later.